Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp tom yum soup using an easy method. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a quick and flavorful preparation. Next, we'll craft the aromatic broth, infusing it with traditional Thai herbs. Then, we'll perfectly cook the shrimp and mushrooms. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to create a truly authentic and satisfying meal in under 30 minutes. For this incredible soup, you will need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined for convenience. Grab 2 stalks of lemongrass, bruise them gently, and slice them into 2-inch pieces to release their aroma. Don't forget 5 kaffir lime leaves, torn, and 1 small piece of galangal, thinly sliced. Also, have 1 cup of sliced straw mushrooms ready, along with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for that essential savory depth. Now, let's create the heart of our soup, the flavorful broth. Begin by bringing 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to a gentle boil in a medium pot. Carefully add the prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves to the simmering liquid. Allow these aromatics to simmer for about 10 minutes, infusing the broth with their distinct Thai essence. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste to achieve that authentic, spicy, and sour taste. For the final steps, add your fresh shrimp and sliced mushrooms to the simmering, aromatic broth. Cook them gently for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until the shrimp turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1 additional tablespoon of fish sauce to balance the flavors perfectly. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, and serve your delicious, homemade tom yum soup immediately for the best experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.